Hey, have you heard the buzz about what's coming after Windows 11?
Yeah,
There's so much speculation right now.
I know. So what's Microsoft cooking up this time? Any solid hints?
Well, they're being pretty secretive, but rumors suggest AI powered features,
Mm-hmm.
a complete design overhaul, deeper cloud integration, and maybe even a subscription model.
Wait, a subscription model for Windows?
Yeah,
Do you think that's a good idea?
it's a bold move. I mean, Microsoft already does it with Office 365 and Xbox Game Pass, so perhaps they think it's the future.
Right,
But it could be a tough sell for an operating system.
especially when over 60% of PCs are still on Windows 10. People
Exactly.
aren't exactly rushing to upgrade as it is.
Yeah, Windows 11 was more of a visual refresh than a game changer. New start menu, rounded corners, that sort of thing. Nothing that made people jump out of their seats.
So maybe Microsoft is thinking of ditching big numbered versions altogether, like
Mhm.
moving to a rolling update system.
Exactly. Kind of like how macOS does it. It would mean continuous updates without the big launches. But would that keep
Right.
users engaged or just annoy them?
That's the question. Constant updates can be a double-edged sword.
True. But the most exciting rumor is the AI integration.
Yeah,
Windows becoming smarter sounds intriguing.
definitely. Imagine an OS that learns your habits and optimizes your workflow. But
Exactly.
isn't there a privacy concern there?
That's a good point. If the AI is learning from our behavior,
Right.
how much data is it collecting and where is it going?
Plus, could AI-driven automation reduce customization options for power users?
That's possible.
Some folks like to tweak every setting themselves.
Absolutely. And the idea of a subscription based Windows, could you imagine paying just to boot up your computer?
That would be wild. It might push people to stick with older versions even longer.
Exactly.
Remember how long people held on to Windows XP?
Oh, yeah. People loved XP. If Microsoft isn't careful, history could repeat itself.
Right. Maybe they'll offer a free version with limited features and premium tiers for advanced functionality. Yeah, but if the free version is too limited, users might get frustrated.
Or if the premium is too expensive, they'll just avoid upgrading altogether.
Exactly.
It's a tricky balance.
So do you think users should upgrade if a new version comes out?
Well, if the AI integration truly enhances the user experience and respects privacy, it could be worth it. But if it restricts functionality or costs too much, maybe not.
I'm a bit skeptical, to be honest. I value control over my system.
I hear you. But embracing new technology can also bring amazing benefits.
True.
It's a tough call. Agreed? It's going to be interesting to watch how this unfolds.
Definitely. So would you personally upgrade to this new Windows if it comes out?
I think I'd give it a shot. If the features are compelling and the cost is reasonable.
Right.
But I'd keep an eye on the privacy aspects.
Same here. If it enhances my workflow without compromising my data, I'm on board.
Yeah, well, only time will tell what's next for Windows. It's an exciting
Yep.
time for tech enthusiasts.